Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Alright, first and foremost, I figure I should address it. Yes, I do have a new filming setup. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Sometimes change takes time to warm up to, so we'll play with this for a bit and see how we feel about it. But for today's video, I am going to be doing a haul video. Recently, Urban Body Jewelry had their midsummer sale. It was a massive sale. Obviously, I took part in it, despite my credit card's objections. But I got quite a few pieces. I got roughly 12 plugs and tunnels. I got the 00 gauge stretching kit, and I got 2 septum pieces. I'm really excited about them. Unfortunately, I cannot try on the plugs or the tunnels because they are 00 gauge, and that is my goal size
for now.
And so I'm only at a 1 gauge right now, so it's gonna be a little bit before I can actually wear these, but I thought I would at least show you what I bought from the sale. If you're interested in any of these items for yourself, I will leave a list of what I got below. I am gonna also show the septum pieces, but I'm not gonna try anything on just because it would take far too long. So I am gonna start off with the septum pieces just because I only got 2 of them, and you know, it's pretty quick to go through. So the first item is this purple titanium circular barbell. It is a 16 gauge. It is a 3/8 of an inch diameter, if I remember correctly. And I just got this because I really needed just a pretty good horseshoe piece of jewelry for my septum, because there are cases where I have to flip it up. Not very many cases, but there are cases where I have to hide my septum piercing. So I was like, you know, I should probably go ahead and get one. So that's what I did for this. But I got a fun color with it. So the other septum piece that I got is actually kind of like a joke piece. So the story behind this piece is the fact that my alma mater / the place where I currently work, the mascot is a yellow jacket, or bee if you want to be incorrect like I'm about to be. So I found this segment hinged ring with a bumblebee on it. I kind of got it as a joke because I was like,
I could wear this to events at work.
Probably not. I would probably get a lot of looks, but I thought it was funny. All right, so that is it for the septum pieces. I didn't get many. The primary purpose of this haul was to focus on getting a bunch of plugs and tunnels for my goal size. But I saw those two and I was just like, one's really funny and one is practical. So that was my reasoning. So like I mentioned, I did also get the 00 gauge stretching kit. I'm not going to take this one out of its pack just yet, just because I want it to stay as sterile as possible in its airtight sealed baggie. But there it is, the end goal. I also do have the 0 gauge stretching kit, so when we are ready to go up another size, that will be in use, obviously. So I'm going to show you the plugs and the tunnels that I got. They're in no real order. I'm basically reading my receipt just in the order that I guess I ordered them. And I'm not going to spend too long on it because, like I said, it's 12 of them and we'll be here all day. And again, these are all 00 gauge for those that are gonna ask. All 00 gauge. So first up, we have the stainless steel cubic zirconium bling ear tunnels. I absolutely love this set. I've been eyeballing this from the very beginning, along with another one that I'll obviously appear in this haul. I just love the look of them, and it kind of matches the whole diamond look that I have going on with the rest of my pieces. Most of my jewelry pieces are that clear gem, and so I kind of wanted to have a set of plugs and tunnels that matched. So that was the primary purpose of getting this one. Next are clear cubic zirconium diamond stainless steel plugs. Again, much like the tunnels, I got this one because it kind of matched everything that I had going on with the rest of my jewelry pieces, but whereas the other one were a set of tunnels, this is a set of plugs because they do have the big gem in the center. So if I want to be really fancy, I think I'll go for these. Next are the black Obsidian single flare stone plugs. I got these mostly because I just wanted a really nice set of black plugs that kind of just filled in the space. These would be like an everyday usage for me. And I also really like black obsidian. I also have found that I prefer single flare as opposed to a double flare, so it does kind of make it a little bit easier. It does have O-rings on them. Next up are these blue skeleton goddess dangle plugs. So first of all, these were already on sale. I think they were like half off of their original price. I love the fact that they are dangle earrings. I think that's really unique, especially for plugs and tunnels. But I also really like the cameo style with the skeleton skeleton girl on them, and it's blue, and it's really pretty. And even though it's got like a gold metal part to it, I don't normally wear gold because it doesn't look good on me, but I absolutely love how these look. I'm really glad I got them. Now I will say, I believe the plugs themselves are acrylic, and it is a double flare, right after I said I'm not a fan of double flare, but they were just too cute to pass up, plus already being 50% off before the sale. Next are these silver frame Opalite flash dome steel plugs. So these are a single flare set. I love Opalite, and I thought these were pretty unique. It's got like this really cool detailing on the back. The Opalite does come out, as it says, it's a dome in the description, and I just think they're really pretty snazzy. Like, they're gonna be really pretty when they're in. I cannot wait to get to a 00 gauge because these are so cute. Next is this Gypsy Girl tattoo steel plug set. It's kind of hard to see it in the camera, but I love the traditional style art when it comes to like women and faces and things of that nature. So like if I ever got a female figure tattooed on me, it would probably be in the traditional style, just because I love how it looks. And so when I saw these plugs, I just thought they were gorgeous. And it still shows, like up close, it shows a pretty good amount of detail even on a 00 gauge. I know the larger the size, the more detail they can obviously get onto the plug or the tunnel, but they did a pretty good job with this set. And it's very pretty. It is a screw type plug, so it looks double flared, but when you try and get it in, it's a single flare because it's the screw type, kind of like what I have currently in. So I do really like that as well. Next are these blue Opalite teardrop plate steel plugs. Again, these are double flare, so I don't know why I said I didn't like double flare, because obviously I got quite a few of them. But I thought these were pretty unique to not just be a typical circle shape. They do have like that teardrop shape, and plus Opalite. Like I said, I'm a sucker for it, but these are blue Opalite, so I just think that's really pretty too. Very ornate. I'm excited for these like detailed plugs and tunnels that I got. Next up, I have pawprint glass plugs. Very basic. These are, I think these were new. I had just seen them on Urban Body Jewelry's YouTube channel. They had done a whole video showcasing these, and they're just so cute. First of all, they're black and white, so like my aesthetic typically. I do like that they're glass, so they've got like a clear, again, double flare. I don't know why I said I was against them, but I know these will go in nicely because glass always goes in nice and smooth, and just, they're really cute. They're really cute. Next are these black tunnels with heated tiger design inlay. Now at first glance, these look like just black tunnels. They are acrylic. The inside has like this really pretty rainbow-esque tattoo pattern. It's kind of hard to see on the smaller ones. I feel like if it was a much bigger size, it would be really easy to see. So it is a little bit difficult to see it on this size, but it's still really pretty. And like if you get up close, you can see it, but I don't think it's going to show very well on the camera. So just pretend these are just black tunnels for now. Next, I have these single flare rainbow plugs. I'm really excited about these. Again, these were also on sale, much like the skeleton ones were, and they're just really pretty. They are acrylic. Nothing against acrylic once your ear is healed. You want to consider not wearing acrylic all the time, but you know, for a fun little piece like this, I think it's acceptable to wear acrylic. Plus, I just like color. I love my black, but I also really just like a whole lot of color. And this rainbow is really pretty. Next, I have a pair of silicone black ear skins. So like the description says, these are silicone, so they do bend and move and everything like that. A lot of people said in a video that I did that silicone is very comfortable. Again, probably not a wear all the time type of jewelry material that you would want, but I do think these look like they'd be easy to slip in. And again, I wanted a black pair of tunnels, so pretty good option. And the final item are these Opalite glass Rosebud plugs. So like it says, it is Opalite. It does have a really pretty Rosebud design on the ends. Kind of hard to see with the Opalite. It may have been a little bit easier if the stone had been a different color, like a darker one. But again, I love Opalite. And the Rosebud detailing was just really pretty. And it's a double flare. Who'd have thunk? But I do love how these look, and they're pretty lightweight. Like they're a little bit heavy, but it's not bad. I really like these a lot. So those are all the items that I got in Urban Body Jewelry's midsummer haul. This is not an ad or anything. I just really like the products that Urban Body Jewelry puts out. And when the sale came around, I was like, yep, gotta get something because this is the time to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you yourself purchased anything in Urban Body Jewelry's summer sale. Also let me know in the comments below which of my items you liked the most. I cannot wait until I'm a 00 gauge and can actually wear them. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Going down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.